Want to access USDT on the Binance Smart Chain using Trust Wallet? Let's get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app and tap on the two overlapping circles icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the Token Search and Custom Token Edition menu. Now, type USDT into the search bar. Since we're looking for the Bep20 version, which isn't enabled by default, you'll see a No Assets Found message with the option to add custom token. Tap on Add Custom Token. You'll now see the Add Custom Token screen. The first thing we need to do is change the network. Tap on the network field, which will most likely show Ethereum as default. A list of networks will appear. Select Binance Smart Chain from the list. This ensures we're adding the correct USDT version. Now, we need the contract address. Pay close attention here. This is crucial for adding the correct token. Paste the following contract address into the contract address field: 0 by 55D398326F99O59F775 for 85 to 46 999O27B3197955. Make sure you double check every character for accuracy. Once you paste the correct contract address, the name, symbol, and decimals fields should automatically populate with USDT, and 18, respectively. If they don't, something's wrong. So double check the contract address again. If everything looks correct, tap the Done button in the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations, you've successfully added USDT Bep20 to your Trust Wallet. You can now send, receive, and store USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. Enjoy.